Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to sign up into your online banking account of California Bank and Trust. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. You make sure to watch the video till the end. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link that is www.calbanktrust.com. You can also find the link on the description box below. Next page, you will be directed into official site, and on this following page in the top right corner, tap on sign in. Next, you will be directed into login page. You can see in the left hand side corner there is a login interface, and right at the bottom you can see enroll now. So in order to sign up into your online banking account, you'll have to tap on enroll now. On the other page, you will be directed into instruction page. Out here you'll have to select your service. So for that you'll have to tap on online banking and mobile banking, and once it's selected, tap on continue in the bottom right corner. On the other page, you will be directed into enrollment page, and over here you'll have to provide your information or your bank detail. You can see first of all you'll have to enter your card number, and after that you'll have to enter your PIN, and next you'll have to select your card type. So in order to select, all you have to do is tap on the arrow icon in the corner. Once you do that, there's a drop down menu. So from here you'll have to select your card type. Moving on, next you'll have to enter your social security number. So once you're done entering all your information, make sure to review it once again and then tap on continue in the bottom right corner. So once again, on the other page you'll have to provide more information and make sure to enter the correct information and then review it once again before you tap on continue. As you tap on continue, on the other page you have review and confirmation. So make sure to go through it carefully and then tap on continue once you're done. So on the other page, the final step, you'll get to create new login information, that is your user ID and your password. So once you're done creating your user ID and your password, on the other page you will successfully sign up into your online banking account of California Bank and Trust. So that is how you can sign up into your online banking account of California Bank and Trust. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.